Hi, this is Jerry Melfi from St. Augustine, and I want to show you the process that I use um, to develop characters. I'm doing a children's book, and the name of the book is The Little Elephant. So I have to draw a little cute elephant, and as part of the development, I have to do a front view, side view, rear view, a lying position, and a raised trunk position. So I found a way to cut off a lot of time. Uh, I use a dry erase um, board, and I'll show you. And that's where I develop my characters. I use a pen. I just draw freely. When I draw big like this, it's more relaxed, and I don't care. I'm not using an eraser and crumpling up paper. Uh, so let's get started on on what I do. Um, I take a picture of it, of course, like right here. Take a picture of that, and then I get something that looks like this, and I put that into Photoshop. So let's see if it's in there. Yeah, there it is. Okay, what happened here is I've already cleared the gray using my uh, wand, magic wand tool. Whenever I take a picture indoors, uh, you instead of white, you get gray. Let me see if I can bring this back, just so you can see. There. Now this is what it looked like when I brought it in. So I will use the magic wand and get rid of this stuff. Now, for those of you who use Photoshop, you didn't need to see all this, but I like to do it. So, and now I'm going to erase, clean it up a little bit. And you can't do that until you go like that. And let me erase. Okay, that's clean enough right there. So I'm going to save this now as a PNG. And that stands for Portable Network Graphics, which does not mean anything to me. I do know that a PNG gives you a clear image and the background is transparent. In other words, the only thing you're going to get are lines. You're not going to have a white background. And I'll show you why I like PNGs. So I'll save this as a PNG, and I will then bring it into a program called ArtRage. So I brought it in, and there is space underneath it for doing I don't know, underlays. But here it is. Let me choose something. I got one already named elephant skin. So this is how it works. There it is. So since I'm a watercolorist, I want this to look kind of watercolorish. And that does. There it is. So that's what I'm doing. I'm working underneath. Let's get rid of this. And I'm going to show you what I did. Let's get rid of this. And put that in and put those cheeks in. And there it is. So now I have something I can look at, and I'm happy with the color, happy with the form, happy with the cheeks. Now I can do my line drawing and imitate my own work, because the line work was original. So this is all original, and I'm very pleased that I can work electronically or digitally to come to an end in a really efficient way. So in ArtRage, you can do line work, and that's another reason I like ArtRage. You can draw, let's see here, nice lines to get an idea of what you're going to do. And so that's that. So that's pretty good for a body, but I don't like it. So you can get rid of it. So I'll do this little tiny body this time. That's more like it. And little feet. Don't want to have block feet. And the hind feet will be right here and back. And you, of course, you can erase this. I'm doing it fast. This kind of looks very weird. But underneath it, I will show you what I'm doing. I will sample the elephant skin up here and do my thing. I won't do the whole thing, but see, I can match that tone, everything, and I will do the watercolor. Let me take this pressure down on the palette knife, which gives me that look. So there it is. That watercolor look. So what this is doing is allowing me to edit instantly and then give me references. So this is a really great thing to work like this for me in this particular situation. I'm a fine artist by trade, and when I do fine artwork, occasionally I'll put it in Photoshop and do some things before I finish, just to see if they're okay. So that's another example of digital efficiency. So thank you for watching this. I hope you learned something.